the Overseas League HQ, a number of young emigrants to Australia were recently entertained before their departure. Some of them had been evacuated to the Commonwealth during the war and now wanted to return. All had good reasons for wishing to go.
Well, I want to go back to my girlfriend. She's about my age. I think we might get along quite well together.
Well, I'm very fond of sport, and in Australia they play much sport, especially cricket. I play cricket a lot, and also Australian football, which is a lot different to soccer.
On the whole, I think I stand a much better chance in Australia, and I've left many good friends behind.
I like Australia better because of the wide open spaces. You can have more fun out in the open with the horses and the cattle.
Mr. Caldwell, Australian Minister for Immigration, who says that his country needs at least 70,000 a year, was there to wish the emigrants good luck.
Boys and girls, I wish you bon voyage, and I hope that you'll be very happy in your new homes in Australia. The people to whom you are going are looking forward to meeting you. All the Australian people will be beside themselves to make you feel quite at home under the Southern Cross. And goodbye, Sally, and I know you and your brother Jeremy will be very happy out in your new home in Sydney. I'll come and see you there sometime.
Now for